Hello everybody, today we will speak about PoE systems and how you power your miner over Ethernet. So basically you will need internet source and you bring it to your injector, like here it's right LAN. You enter the internet from the Ethernet cable from your router, and from here he will come Ethernet cable. He provide you with power plus internet, and in the end of this cable you will need a splitter like this one, and you must be careful with splitters because this one he can support until 1 gigabyte. The other splitters that I buy before, they can support only 100 megabyte. And also there is also another problem. This one he come with outdoor enclosure from Rakwireless, and he supports only 100 megabyte speed of internet, so you cannot enjoy your 1 giga speed. In my situation, I needed to power two devices with the internet, and at the same time the router, it's behind the door, and I need it here, and I can close my door without cables in the floor, and I didn't want to use Wi-Fi. So this is just demonstration how to power your device. First of all, you need a power line. This power line, it's high quality. It's from TP-Link. He will provide you with two RJ45 plugs. So your internet source, one Ethernet cable, your splitter, you enter it here, and you get another cable who have power and internet, and you, in the end of the cable, you put splitter, and from him you will divide it Ethernet plus 5 volt and 3 amps, like it's right here in the description of the device. So in my situation, I didn't want this because he have limitation 100 megabyte, and sorry about that. And have another problem. I want to provide multiple devices. That means I will need multiple splitters. So this is not convenient for me. I make some research and I buy a TP-Link 5-port gigabyte desktop PoE switch. So basically he will provide me with power and internet, and only what I need, I give him one Ethernet cable from your router or from your power LAN, and when you enter him here, he will provide you with another cable, as you can see, and this cable, in the end of it you will need splitter. It's necessary splitter if you want. If in my situation I use it in Helium Miner, I need power. So I'm just testing it, the speed, if you have limitation or no, and it's performing very well. Me in home, I have personally 100 megabyte speed, so I'm not 100% sure, but I never had good result from my router. Remember, I'm using power LAN. It's supposed to lose a lot of dBs, and this power LAN is very good. I have 100 megabyte, and here I receive 92. Let's refresh again. Take the flash away to see better. I don't know if you can see. Try to zoom in. Okay, refresh again. Okay, run a speed test. Now we go down. When I start to record, we go down. That's okay. That's the point of the testing. From my other room, I receive like this 45 megabyte. because it's far away from my router. Not forget, this is from power LAN. I choose another type of power LAN from TP-Link, cheapest one. They are horrible. I pay the extra money. This is costs me 100 euros, but you have the MIMO technology. The French version is the best one in my opinion. He give you the best what you can get. So let's run it again. And here I'm more stable with my other miners. I never go offline because of it. The other cheap one I always go offline. That's why I changed all of them. So the point of this video, anyone he need quality switch for his miners with the PoE, I recommend TP-Link with 5 ports. You can run 4 miners on this. It's not recommended, but you can do it, or you can run 5 devices here with PoE or without PoE. But if you want to use PoE, please use splitter for your miner to be sure that he receive only 5 volt and 3 amps, not more. Well, this is my setup. This is getting better with every refresh. This is the point, just to have a source of internet without drilling hole in your walls, and you will use only one cable and you will split it to 4, and he give you 62 from 100. This is 60% from what I have home. I'm very satisfied with this setup. If you like the video, make like and subscribe. If you have any comment, put it down below. I will provide you with another video. I will make it specific, dedicated only for power lines. This is TP-Link 2000 version. It's the French version, not the other one. Yeah, it's working very well. I'm very satisfied with it. I tried with 1 giga. I tried with another home host from other miners. She worked very well and stable performance. He provide you always 50%, 60% from what your home have of internet. Of course, it depends from home to home. Sometimes I get 100%. It depends if the house it's not old and the wiring they are good quality wiring. He will have the full what your router have, he will have in the end of it. If you have 1 giga in your router, you will have 1 giga in the other house. Only if it's a new house. That's mean new quality cabling. In my situation, it's old house. I receive only 60% from the capacity, because what can I expect from old house? Yeah, even the ping is quality. It's 8 millisecond. Yeah, I'm not sponsored. I only use this to help some people. They have 2 miners in one home, or want to monitor their device, and they need extra port of internet, and this is not convenient more than 1 device. And as I said, you have limitation. And I buy multiple outdoor enclosure from Rakwireless, and this is extra. I use them with 1 device, but now I'm kind of thinking to switch my devices with this, because I get better internet. I don't know if the miners give me better results with higher speed internet or no, but this one, they work very well, but 100 megabyte limitation is kind of piss me off a little bit. Yeah, this device always need splitter, and always read on the splitter the limitation, 1 giga or 100 megabyte per second. Okay, try to not make the video too long. See you on the next one. Ciao.